السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. مرحبا بكم مرة أخرى في تكملة لما انتهينا منه في المحاضرة السابقة. Now we will complete the other sections that we already talked about in the previous video or the previous lecture. Just to remind you that this lecture is prepared by the assistant lecturer Ahmed Fakhr Majid, who is from University of Basra, College of Arts, Department of Translation. So now we will start with the past tense. You know, the past tense in English is used to talk about the past, definitely. Things happened in the past. And also to talk about hypotheses, things that are imagined rather than true. And also for politeness. These are the uses of the past tense in English. Now we are going to move. There are 4 past tense forms in English. Okay, listen, forms. I didn't say tenses. It is the same as the present one in the previous video. So there are 4 forms to the past tense in English. They are past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. For example, for the past simple, I worked. For the past continuous, I was working. For the past perfect, I had worked. And for the past perfect continuous, I had been working. Just note that in this chapter, we are going to discuss the past simple, since the other types are called aspect, which are going to be discussed in chapter 4, inshallah. We use these forms to talk about the past, as I said previously. For example, he worked at McDonald's. He had worked there since July. He was working at McDonald's. He had been working since July. Okay? And also to refer to the present or future in conditions. في الجمل الشرطية يمكن استخدام الماضي للإشارة إلى المضارع أو المستقبل. He could get a new job if he really tried. Okay, so this means that he didn't get the job, but he could get a new job if he really tried. So this is a conditional sentence. If Jack was playing, they would probably win. Okay, move to the hypotheses also. For example, it might be dangerous. Suppose they got lost. I would always help someone who really needed help. And also we are using the past simple for wishes. I wish it wasn't so cold, etc. Also we are using the past for something that happened once in the past. I met my wife in 1983. We went to Spain for our holidays. They got home very late last night. And also for something that happened again and again in the past. This is what we already called it in the previous lecture, repeated action. When I was a boy, I walked a mile to school every day. We swam a lot while we were on holiday. Okay? They always enjoyed visiting their friends. Also, we are using the past for something that was true for some time in the past. I lived abroad for 10 years. Okay? This is something true in the past. He enjoyed being a student. Okay? She played a lot of tennis when she was younger. And also we often use phrases with a go with the past tense. I met my wife a long time ago. Okay. We also use it in conditions, hypotheses, and wishes. If we want to talk about the past, we always use the past perfect. I would have helped him if he had asked. It was very dangerous. What if you had got lost? I wish I hadn't spent so much money last month. All these are examples about the uses of the past. We also can use it, or we can use the past forms to talk about the present in a few polite expressions. Excuse me, I was wondering if this was the train for York. هذا مثال أو هذه الجملة تشير على أنه القطار ما يزال في المحطة، واستخدام صيغة الماضي للسؤال بطريقة أكثر لباقة أو ممكن محببة بشكل أكثر. عندنا المثال الآخر I just hoped you would be able to help me. Okay, and thank you for listening for this video. I hope it will be useful for you. What are we going to benefit from this video is to be familiarized with the past tense, the form of the past when we are using the past, because in the practical part and in the analysis part, you should extract the verb, then you should tell me what tense this verb indicates and what form of the verb, or sorry, what form of that tense is being used in that sentence. Okay, thank you so much. I don't want to make it any longer, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.